My name is John Matthew. I'm heading the Facilities and Management Department in JAZAL Engineering. JAZAL Engineering has been in the UAE market since 2008. We cater to three different types of clients. Basically, we have industrial, commercial, and residential clients. See, the journey for CMMS started as a vision from our MD around 2 years ago. We were basically a localized brand, concentrating only in Abu Dhabi and a few clients. Now, our MD had a vision to make us into a known, reputed brand in UAE. So one of the many steps was having a CMMS system in place. So we approached a lot of companies at that point, and that's how our interaction started with Velosi, roughly around 2 years back. Okay, see, we had our own internal challenges. So one of the things that we were faced with challenges was we had a decentralized system, basically. Okay, so every site had its own independent system. Okay, so one of the things that we wanted to achieve with the CMMS was having a centralized approach. The other challenge that we were having was, resource management. Exactly. So we were having doing the planning. Basically, we're doing all resource planning using traditional Excel sheets. Okay, so there was a lot of human errors in it, and so planning wasn't happening as the way we would say it would have been better. So we wanted to improve on that, improve our reliability, basically. The other issue we were having is response time. We wanted to find a way how we would increase our response time to ensure that we are there when there's a complaint or issue, and then quickly put the machine or the asset back into service. The other challenge that we're having was traceability, basically. Like, we had a huge library of papers and everything was documented. So something we had to look back a couple of years. It would take us some time to find it. So these were the couple of issues that we wanted possibly to find a solution, a one-stop solution. But we were also faced with another challenge. See, each of these verticals, our clients had different requirements. The contracts was different, the KPIs was different, the SLAs were different. So we actually wanted to find one solution that caters to all. So when we approached the different companies existing in the market, see, these were tailor-made, and they were saying it was customizable to an extent. When we actually dived into it, we realized it couldn't be completely customized to what we required. This is when we had the opportunity to meet with Velosi team. Okay, now they were for many years in the oil and gas market, and they were trying to get an entry into the real estate, the FM industry. So we found it as a good opportunity to partner with each other, because they were also looking for a product and concept. So which gave us the option to 100% customize or tailor it specifically to our needs. So this is where this wonderful journey started. I guess it's over 2 years by now, and it's been a good journey. Our clients are happy, and because of this customizable option, we are able to all different variety of our clients are able to accept the system. There are minor issues as always, but they are also in that regard very helpful in updating the system as and when we tell them we need to update it. So overall, I would say my experience was with Velosi was good. It was a journey. Today we are. It's actually a good journey. I would say we're having a good relation. Our clients are happy, and we actually achieved all our concerns, whatever we had. So now we are doing better resource management. We have reduced our downtimes. Our response teams have been improved. So overall, I would say the CMMS that's been offered by Velosi has definitely helped us achieve our objectives and MD's vision to be the trusted brand in UAE. And I would definitely recommend you guys to try out their product. I'm sure it will be beneficial to you as well.